For everyone out there starting on SEO for your website or getting into a career in SEO, here's 3 powerful tips, 3 beginner's tips, and a tutorial on getting your SEO journey started. Hey guys, my name is VanderMeer and I make digital marketing tip and SEO videos right here on YouTube. I'm gonna get right into it today. I'm gonna tell you 3 tips when you're starting your SEO journey to get you started that you may not have heard of before. This episode is not sponsored by McDonald's. All right, tip number 1. Website load speed is the most important factor you should focus on right now. Actually, and that the website's responsive, but that'll be tip number 2. Load speed is integral. We've seen it over the last couple years. We now estimate load speed being about 15 to 20% of an internal SEO build for any site. And it's making a huge difference. Google and search engines want your page to be smaller and load faster to help with those data rates, help people load those mobile responsive websites right onto their phone quickly and get information quickly. Website load speed is firing people up in organic rankings, getting them more website traffic and getting them those valuable conversions that they're looking for their clients. So it doesn't matter what you're doing in SEO, whether you're in marketing or building your own business locally with a website, having your website load really quickly is something that you should focus on when getting that website developed. If you already have a website, go take a look at the images, make them a little bit smaller, make sure you're running less queries on that site and speed up that load speed. Tip number 2, make sure you have a location or a maps location built. We've been testing, creating and correcting with SEO for a couple years now, and there's a huge correlation between businesses that have a physical location and a Google Maps location or Bing's location built and ones that don't on how they appear in organic rankings. Search engines want to see that you have a physical address, that your business is built, and that is creating business for people in a locality. So whenever you're working on a website, whenever you're trying to get that organic reach, start by getting a Google Maps location, get that Google My Business profile started, fill it out completely, and make sure as the last tip that everything in your Maps location, everything in those directories matches your website contact page spot for spot. Make sure the address is the same, make sure that the phone number is the same, everything is the exact same. It's going to help more authority come to your website and move you up in both in organic rankings on search engines as well as organic rankings on Google Maps, Bing Maps, etc. Lastly, tip number 3, you may have heard of this one before, but it's still really important. 30 to 40% of websites online still don't have meta descriptions. Now it's more than just meta descriptions in tip number 3, it's all the internal parts, all the technical parts of your internal SEO build on a website, your meta descriptions, your page titles, your alt text behind the pictures, everything that you can do to help your website grow. Now, there's a ton of analytic tools out there. Find one where you can do a site audit on your website. It's going to tell you the percentage of how well your website's responding to the current algorithms that are out there. Try to get that internal part of your website, that internal SEO build, as close to 100% as possible. That way the foundation, the pillar of your SEO is built. That allows you to start working on that external SEO, those citations, those backlinks, everything else you need to do to increase your domain's authority comes after you do that internal build. Boom, guys. That's a quick episode. A beginner's tutorial to SEO episode. I wanted to do this episode for a while. I think that there's 1 or 2 tips in there that you have not heard of before. Let me know in the comments below if you got any value from this. I'm going to do more SEO related videos. If you have any topics you want me to talk about, put it in the comments. Smash that like button if you got any value and hit subscribe if you want more content just like this. That's it for this episode. I'm VanderMeer and I make digital marketing and SEO tip videos right here on YouTube. See you guys in the next one.